Due to recent system upgrades, the navigation to the budget and reporting tools has changed. Here are the new navigation instructions. After logging in to PantherSoft Financial, click on the Employee Self-Service located in the upper side of the page. Click on Budget Development. Now you are in the home page where all the necessary tools to develop your budgets are located. To run reports, click on Envision on the left-hand side of the page. You have access to Define Reports Request, where you can run the reports, Report Manager, where you can download the report when it's ready. To go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. To run a query, click on Query Tools and run your query. As previously mentioned, to go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on the Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. Finally, yet importantly, to review and edit your budgets, click on the Budget tools. Here, you can access the following tools: the position budget, the transfer in, out, the DSO reimbursement, and the detailed budget maintenance. Following are the instructions on how to use the tool you have selected. The following video would guide you through budgeting for summer faculty positions in the Position tool. This is used to establish the budget for the summer faculty reserves for Summer A and Summer B. Most activity numbers will have a set of existing position numbers for summer faculty. Please look in the appendix section of the budget manual for the summer position numbers corresponding to your activity number. Also note that the position number is intended to capture the total amount of the activity numbers, summer reserve, and it is not intended to be built up by the employee. On the main menu, click on the FIU budget process. Then click on FIU position budget and type in the activity number you're budgeting positions for. Click Search and the pre-populated information will appear. Here are the steps. Select Summer Rate in the Change Category field. Select Faculty Summer A or Faculty Summer B in the Employee Type field. Doing so will automatically populate the information on the Chart Field Information tab, including the Account field. Enter the position number that corresponds to your activity number. Leave the Employee ID field blank. Enter unfilled in the last name field and leave the first name field blank. Enter 0 in the FTE. Enter the total summer reserve allocation amount in the pay rate field. Enter reserve Summer A or B as appropriate in the title field. Select Unfilled in the Position Status field. No changes to starting period or ending period are required. The Budgeted Weeks field will allocate the salaries and benefits to the appropriate month for each summer session. If the remaining positions are to remain budgeted as is, and for the full year, proceed to save and calculate totals to see the new total salaries and benefit amount. and this is how you budget for your summer reserves. Just as a reminder, here are some tips for using the position tool. At any time, the information can be downloaded to Excel. This might be preferred by some users just in case you're logged off the system and wish to review the information in the position tool. There are tabs on the top of the data which are helpful. For instance, the Chart Field Information tab will pre-populate the account and the budgeted weeks according to the employee type selected on the Position Information tab. And there's a link for the employee distribution that shows the distribution of the budgeted position. Also, the Updated by Info tab will show you by Panther ID who last updated the information and the modified time span. If you run the R2 report, you will be able to see the real-time position data you have updated in the position tool and the corresponding budget by position.